So today I'm going to show you how to export an image from the Excel graph or a table. So many of us find it's very difficult, especially for research students. This is very useful for them because you know that if you just copy and paste your uh, graph or table into Word, you know, your uh, format is going to be changed, right? A lot. Again, you have to adjust axes and everything, right? So in such case, exporting this as an image is quite beneficial for you to save your time, right? So the Excel itself does not provide you any tools, so you need to have this tool Excel Toolbox NG, right? So this is very easy. So you can just I'll show you how to make it. You just need to Google uh, Excel Toolbox NG, right? So when you Google it, it will show you the links to download, and you can even use any link, right? So this it's the same, right? So you can see you can download the version and you can install that. Once you install that, then it will be automatically, I think it is automatically plugged into the Excel, right? Like this. And if you are working at Excel, you have to restart your Excel. So that means close whatever the application and restart Excel, so that then it will be appear after the installation, right? So in such case, you just have to, this is very easy. So for example, let's say this is your image you need to uh, add into the Word file. So you just have to select it, right? Just have to select it and export selection, and then it asks you the file where you need to, right? So I'll save it in the desktop. So performance is PNG, right? So it's PNG quality is better for, especially for journal publications, right? So for example, let's say you need this table. So for table, it's not an image. So that if you want, you can just the easiest way is you can select the table and go to Excel Toolbox, and you can uh, export it as a screenshot rather than using snipping tool, because if you use snipping tool, so that quality is get reduced, right? Quality is low, but this screenshot is quite okay, right? Let's say this is a image 2, right? Yes, that's okay. So for instance, I will go with another one. So let's say a figure like this. So this is very complex figure, right? So I will have, so you can see within this figure, I have several images as well and text box as well. So in such case, the default figure represents the things without these figures and text box, right? So most of the time, yeah, we will try for once. We'll try for once. I'm not. I'm selecting just the figure. Okay, I'm selecting just the figure and export it. So export is as image 3. Most of the time it's working. Most of the time it's working, or else you can just, so uh, let me check it. Check it. Also, rarely there are cases where you even export this as an image, right? These things will not appear in your image, right? In such case, you can carefully select the figure and select the text box and figures inside the image, and then you can even export it as a screenshot, right? You can do as a screenshot, click everything if it's not there and take it as a screenshot, right? So that's the way. Most of the time, even if you export it as a PNG, everything will be there. Rarely such cases happen, right? In that case, try it again. It will be fixed. Uh, Let me check the figures where I took. So you can see the quality of this figure, right? So this is something very useful when you are creating especially an article for research students. So they can they can save their time, right? So and this is a high quality figure, and let's check the other figures as well. Check the final figure. So you can see if you just copy it to the Word file, the default Excel graph, everything will be replaced. Sometimes this will go there, and you will have to spend a lot of time adjusting this everything, right? Even if you take a screenshot of the Excel screen, the quality is not there, right? Even snip tool, the quality is not there. But with this one, you can see the quality, right? Quality remains as it is, and because you are saving it as a PNG, so most of the time I also recommend the PNG type rather than JPEG. So and you can see all the things are there, right? Even the text box and the figures are important to the graph, right? So I hope you can easily export graphs and tables, especially using this tool. And even this is even useful for not only the students, right, researchers, and anyone, right? So thank you very much.